Hello, how's it going today? I am in Sharbot Lake, Ontario, and I'm here at the Railway Heritage Park, and we're going to learn about some trains. So this is an old trackmobile. It would have been used for moving different rail cars up and down the track. And just beside that is the old turntable motor. So this would have been used to move a turntable for all the trains. Very cool. Let's keep going. We've got an old shed here with some things in it. Let's go and see. This is some old lanterns and rail tongs and jacks and shovels and stuff. Very cool. And there's this here as well. It's called a stock pen. Before large trucks, reliable refrigeration and the ability to freeze meat was invented. This was used to get livestock onto train cars. And then we have the old caboose from Canadian Pacific Railway. Very awesome. And actually there's a railway heritage walkway through Sharbot Lake as well. We'll have to come back another day and do that. And some information about the caboose. The caboose carried the conductor and brakeman at the end of a freight train so they could monitor the air brakes, watch for derailments, and throw track switches when necessary. This caboose was built in 1976 in Montreal by CN Rail and was used between Toronto and Sarnia and was sold and repainted here in 2010. This is an old motor car. It was also known as a speeder, manufactured by Railcar Canada in Lancaster, Ontario. And this is an old section car. Small motorized cart was probably manufactured by the Fairmont Railway Motors in Minnesota. This was used to transport 1 to 2 workers along the track with their tools and spikes. Cool. And they even have some old railway lights as well. Hey, now that's pretty cool. I do like trains, and I like that there's an area here where you can come and learn about some of the old cabooses and what happened here at Sharbot Lake on the railroad. All right, so that's the old Railway Heritage Park here in Sharbot Lake. Lots to learn about out here about trains. Come on down and check it out. I'm gonna go do the KMP trail now, and it's gonna be a beautiful day, so I'll see you there.